This full HD video will show you 11 compelling reasons to avoid Windows 11. If you need more time to read anything, press the J key to go back 10 seconds or press the spacebar to pause and to play. Microsoft has shown contempt to hundreds of millions of Windows 10 users by stopping support and forcing them to update to Windows 11 or buy a new computer and send the old one to landfill. Legally and morally, I don't see how Microsoft can do this, but obviously they don't care about you, just their advertising sponsors and shareholders. But Microsoft are happy to install unwanted bloatware on your computer. I paid a computer shop 200 Aussie dollars to uninstall Windows 11 on a new computer so that I could then install Linux Mint. If you manage to uninstall Bing, it will reappear after the next Windows 11 update, but you don't have to use Bing. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant which can answer your questions aided by information previously recorded from reading your computer screen if you enable that function. The best way to avoid annoying ads in Windows 10 or 11 is to switch to Linux. In Linux, you can determine if, which and when you want to install updates. It was easy to change from Windows 7 to Windows 10, but Microsoft changed too many things in Windows 11. Changing from Windows 10 to Linux Mint is not difficult. If you like receiving ads and you are not concerned about privacy, stick with Windows. There will be even more annoying AI-generated ads with Windows 12. I haven't met anyone who likes Windows 11 more than Windows 10. Apart from cosmetic changes, no one has given me 5 good things about using Windows 11. Look in description below for helpful Windows and Linux links. YouTube members, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and forward the link to your friends. Also subscribe to PC Tech Tips to be advised when I upload another video.